Hey there, I'm Stefano, and I'm excited to walk you through what we've been building at Fleetio. This quarter, we focused on helping fleets spend less time chasing information, approvals, and follow-up work, and more time keeping vehicles, equipment, and teams moving with confidence. From streamlining maintenance decisions to giving your team clear visibility into assets, usage, costs, and field activity, everything we built is designed to reduce friction in the day-to-day moments that can slow an operation down. Let's dive into what's new. Faster, more confident maintenance decisions. Maintenance decisions can be a bottleneck. Between reviewing repair estimates, coordinating with your vendors, and keeping track of open issues, even routine work can stall when the right information or approval process isn't clear. So this quarter, we focused on bringing more intelligence and control into the maintenance workflows that your teams rely on every day. You can now approve or reject repair line items directly in Fleetio. Approve the work that makes sense, question the items that don't, and keep repairs moving without managing decisions across multiple places. On top of that, we've expanded Service Advisor with AI approvals. Routine work can move forward automatically when it meets your criteria, while anything that needs a closer look stays in your queue. And once the work's done, Service Advisor helps close the loop by automatically identifying when completed service resolves open issues, keeping your issue queue accurate without the manual cleanup. The result is faster maintenance decisions, fewer delays, and greater confidence that the right work is getting your team's attention. Greater visibility across your fleet. When something goes wrong or a team needs to know what's available nearby, you can lose valuable time just figuring out where things are, what's happening, and what options you have. So we made it easier to see the full picture. Fleet Map brings your fleet into a single connected view, so that you can see asset location, nearby geofences and job sites, and shops and vendors that can help with service needs. No more jumping between systems to piece together location, status, and context. And with Motorpool, you now have a better handle on how your shared vehicles are actually being used, who's requesting them, when demand is highest, and where availability may not match the needs of your team. Together, these updates help you make the most of the assets you already have, improve uptime, and put the right plan in motion faster. Smarter data capture. Fuel costs are one of the biggest and most volatile expenses in your operation, so it's critical to have accurate, timely data that you can actually trust. Smart Uploads for Fuel reduces the need to chase down receipts, fix errors, and fill in the missing details after the fact. Drivers can snap and submit receipts right from their phone, and key details are automatically pulled in to structured entries, so no more manual entry required. Managers can review everything in one place, fill in any gaps, and finalize records quickly, which means cleaner fuel data, fewer administrative headaches, and better visibility into one of the most important cost areas in your fleet. More flexible fleet workflows. No two fleets operate the same way, but too often software forces your team into a structure that doesn't quite match the way that your assets, your teams, and your processes actually work. So this quarter, we made Fleetio more adaptable to how your team actually operates. With the new Field Management and Layout Builder, you can organize fields, customize layouts, and tailor record pages to match your operation. Whether you're managing different asset types, you're needing to capture unique details, or just want clearer, more intuitive records, you now have more control over how your data is structured and displayed. Which means less clutter, fewer workarounds, and a Fleetio experience that better reflects how your fleet actually runs. A more powerful mobile experience. Finally, we've made Fleetio Go more flexible and more capable for the work happening in the field. With a customizable home screen, every user can tailor their experience to the tools that they use most, so they can get in, they get what they need, and they can get back to work faster. And during inspections, technicians and drivers can now log parts and consumables as they go, capturing accurate inventory updates in the moment so no one has to circle back later. Which means fewer missed updates, better inventory accuracy, and a mobile experience that supports the real work happening away from the desk. This quarter was all about helping your team move faster, with less manual effort, cleaner information, more confidence in every decision. You ready to put these updates to work? Jump into Fleetio and start exploring, or connect with our team to see how these features can fit into your workflow.